Are you wondering what do you have to do on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and on the older 2 if you want to track sleep with these watches? So when you get this watch, by default, if you simply wear your watch and go and sleep, when you wake up, the watch will automatically give you a report of your sleep in your phone app. So again, there's nothing that you need to actually enable on this watch for to be able to track sleep. So it's smart enough to understand when you actually go to sleep and also when you wake up. And then if you launch your app in the sleep tab, you should see your sleep details here. So personally, I do not care much about sleep tracking, so I do not have anything to show you. But yeah, essentially after you sleep, you will see it here in the app, all the data about sleep tracking. Also, if you want to enhance the sleep tracking even more, there are some things that you can do. However, they also drain a bit more battery, that's negative. But yeah, you can simply swipe down, go to your settings, health, sleep, and first we want to enable the blood oxygen, but again this consumes quite a lot of battery. Actually, as you see, we also can set up snore detection here, so if you click it, it simply will launch this. Also, you have to have your phone in range for it to work, so simply place it near you, essentially, maybe on a stand. So the phone is actually doing the sleep like snoring detection, so it's recording the audio at all times. Again, this doesn't record the audio for the snore detection since it would consume way too much battery. So then also we have skin temperature, so you can also track your skin temperature. But again, all these features again drain more battery. Also on your phone you have the Health Monitor app as well. So if you have Samsung phone, you can install the Samsung Health Monitor app. And in this app we can also set up the sleep apnea detection as well. So again, by default it's auto on. You click here and there will be a setup screen. I have already enabled essentially. So what this does, it simply monitors your sleep and checks your breathing essentially. So if it suspects that you are basically losing breathing overnight when you are sleeping, or you do not have, again, enough oxygen, it simply will give you alert that you might have some problems with sleep apnea as well. Also on this watch we have a sleep mode as well that you can set up, and also a sleep schedule. So again, on both of these. So you swipe down, go into settings, modes and routines, modes, and you see you have sleep mode. If you click here, so you see you can turn on the sleep mode manually, or also you can schedule it. So select here and simply enter the start time when you go to sleep and end time that you usually follow. So again, this also actually helps with start times, at least for sleep tracking. But yeah, even if you do not set the schedule, if you don't enable it, it will still automatically track. So again, it's smart enough, you don't really have to do anything. Also, what's cool, if you enable the sleep mode manually, it will also create this special watch face, so that is like very, very dim. So see, if you touch your watch, it won't wake you up if you maybe accidentally brush it when you are sleeping. I see also if you press your button, you can only faintly see your time here. So again, at night, if you want to check your time, you can also do that here. Oh, also on your watch itself, if you go in these tiles, I see you have the sleep tile over here as well. So if you click here, you can also see more details about your sleep after you wake up essentially. But again, for me, it doesn't display anything since I didn't wear it yesterday for sleep. So yeah, you can also check it here from the app as well on the watch. Good luck.